Now, weather with meteorologist Matt Lanza.
Good evening, everybody. After a rainy day yesterday, some much-needed rain across parts of the area. We had some leftover clouds for today, and we're going to keep those into the evening for some areas. Other areas starting to see the sunshine come out, especially from Utica north and west. But if you're down toward Otsego County, a lot of clouds still remain at this point in time. Temperatures on average in the 60s, some places in the 70s at this point, but you'll be falling back into the 60s as well as the evening goes on. Here's a look at some of the storylines here. A real taste of fall is coming. We're going to have a disturbance tomorrow that's going to kickstart some clouds, some showers, possibly even a thunderstorm for Tuesday, and then seasonably cold air is going to rush into central New York by the time we get to Wednesday morning. We're talking some pretty chilly stuff here. We're not used to, considering we had those 90s on Friday. And also, it's going to be cool enough for perhaps some lake effect rain showers by the time we get to Wednesday morning and afternoon into the North Country. Yes, we can use lake effect and rain together. They do go hand in hand as well as snow, so this time of year definitely don't have to worry about the snow just yet, just the rain, but those will be on going up north. 71 out there right now officially at Rome. Dew points in the low 60s, so there is a tinge of dampness to the air outside, and that'll stay for this afternoon. Winds right now are from the west-northwest or so, or from the west on general, and light. Here's a look at your radar and satellite. You can see some of the low gray clouds hanging on here across areas to the south and east of Utica, but this little area of clearing goes from western New York back across Lake Erie into Ontario. It's a very narrow area, but it is moving through, so we will have a period of time, especially this evening and into the first part of the night, where we have generally quiet conditions and clear skies. That will continue toward tomorrow morning before those clouds back toward Michigan start to move in. In fact, looking at Skycast here, into tomorrow morning, we'll stop you here at 8 o'clock. Clouds thickening up. As we go through the morning and into the afternoon, a strong cold front's going to approach. With it, some showers, possibly some thunderstorms as well. But we're going to have a kind of a situation where as this comes through, any one of those thunderstorms that does develop could produce some gusty winds. Not really widespread severe weather, but some pretty strong gusty winds possible in any thunderstorms tomorrow. That sweeps on through tomorrow night. We'll get one more wave of showers in here for the overnight. Then that lake effect gets going off the east end of Lake Ontario for the North Country. So some rain showers up north by the time we get into Wednesday morning. Rest of us, though, should be quiet. Before tonight, we'll call it generally partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures mid-50s to around 60. We kept those showers in there because there could still be some sprinkles off to the south and east of Utica under the low clouds. And we'll call it increasing clouds for tomorrow with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures in the 70s, I think, for most of us tomorrow afternoon. Low to perhaps mid-70s, depending on if we get some sunshine in the morning. Then skies start to clear out on Tuesday night along with that lake effect, but Wednesday is going to be breezy and cool. Temperatures only in the mid-60s for highs Wednesday night, down to near 40. So it's going to be quite chilly. No real frost threat in the Mohawk Valley just yet, but up north, some more frost possible. Another storm system will arrive by Saturday, and that's going to deliver a pretty hefty shot of autumn for the weekend. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour. Kristen and Steve, over to you.